A dryer is an essential appliance that uses heat and air to remove moisture from clothes and other fabrics, making them dry and ready to wear. The process starts with the dryer drum, where the wet clothes are placed. The drum rotates while the air inside the dryer is heated and circulated by a fan. The heated air passes through the clothes, which causes the moisture to evaporate and turn into water vapor. The water vapor is then expelled from the dryer through a vent, leaving the clothes dry. The dryer has a heating element that generates heat using electricity, gas, or propane. The heating element heats the air that enters the dryer, which is then blown into the drum. The temperature of the air can be adjusted using a thermostat to ensure the clothes are not damaged by excessive heat. A dryer may also have a sensor that detects the moisture level in the clothes and stops the dryer when the clothes are dry. This feature helps prevent over-drying and saves energy.